Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. You know, I've had requests over the last month to show you how I boil my eggs. So here you go. These eggs are right out of the refrigerator, and what I do first is to turn them upside down and let them sit on the counter while I boil my water. So in about 5 to 7 minutes, that water's going to boil, and I know I'm ready to go to put the eggs in. Now that our water's boiling, I can put our eggs in. So I return them to the upright position and add them in, and what I'm going to do, I do this very carefully so they don't break. And then I wait for the water to come back to the boil, and I time 11 minutes. Now that the alarm's gone off, I've pre-done an ice bath for the eggs. So I'm going to turn off the burner and add the eggs to the ice bath. So after my eggs are in the ice bath, I let them sit there for 1 to 5 minutes. 1 minute will give you an egg that's still warm on the inside. 5 minutes gives you a really chilled egg. So enjoy. This recipe will give you the perfect hard-boiled egg every time.